Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be talking about the Face Shop sheet mask that everybody is raving about these days. And yes, the Face Shop is a Korean brand, and also I really love Korean brands because they are so good and they are so unique, and they are like they're so good. Like, they come up with the most hilarious or the most weird products, and but they are good. So the Face Shop sheet masks are available in Nika. So as you know, the Nika was running this. I think it's still on. If you buy 5 sheet masks, they give you 5 free. So I just got mine from them. So as we begin this video, you just have to tie up your hair before applying a sheet mask, and this will be a review video on one of the sheet masks that I got. So I'm just going to show you, these are the 10 sheet masks that I got from Nika. So first one is the avocado one. I have written like a few words, like which one does what work. Read what it is about, and I can use it according to that thing. And also, I'm very sorry for this, the background noises that's coming up right now. So I'm really sorry for that. So the first one is the avocado one. We know that avocado is really good for our hair, our skin, our body. So this one is the avocado one. The aloe vera is good for cooling your skin, cooling your hair if you use it on hair. I mean, as a product. So this one is really good for cooling down your skin. Honey is good for moisturizing and the little glow that you want. And this one is the lemon one. Lemon is really good because of the citric acid it has, and also it helps, brightens up your skin. The next is the goji berry one. Goji berry one is really good for the hydration. I've just written hydration. So goji berry is really good for the hydration of your skin. If your skin is a little dry and you need that hydration, then I can apply this goji berry sheet mask. Blueberry is really good for brightening and for firming, and it really tightens up your skin. It has all the it has full of blueberry is full of antioxidants, collagen, so it really helps firming your skin and tightens your skin. So this one is a blueberry one. Then the lotus one is really good for the dry skin. If you have dry skin, you need that shine, you need that luster, then this is for your dull and dry skin, the lotus one. And the shea butter one is really good for the sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin and if you need that healing, if you have acne or if you have any pimple, then during those days you can use a shea butter sheet mask. It's really good for healing. Then comes the red ginseng, जिसे हम कहते हैं अश्वगंधा in Sanskrit. So this is the red ginseng one, which is really good for toning and brightening of your skin. So this is the red ginseng one. And the last is the rice one. Now the fermented rice water, just this morning my mom was telling me that the fermented rice water is really good for your hair. So she was suggesting me that I should start using a hair mask for my hair using the rice water. So this is the rice face mask with rice extract. Rice water or rice helps you shrink your pores, reduces fine lines, and it tightens your skin. So this is good for if you have like pores. It reduces your pores on a regular run if you use it. So this was all about the sheet mask that I got from Nika for myself and for my mother. So I also got so many sheet masks from Bangkok, but the thing is, I wanted to make a video on that, but I just thought that there is no purpose of making a video on the Thailand products that I got, and they're not available on Nika or any other Indian site. So making a video on them is not a practical thing because you guys won't be able to try it. So thankfully the Nika has the Face Shop sheet mask, and we can try them and I can give you a review on that. So I really like sheet mask, and the only thing is that you have to use it correct way. Use it in correct way. Use all the serum that is present here in the sachet and rub it and do the massage and everything, and it will help you a lot, and I've done that to me. So I'm just gonna decide which face sheet mask I want to use on sheet mask. Like other than I just wrote, the main words, just in case, like I have so many sheet masks and I want to use a particular one, I'll just go through it and I'll pick one. But other than that, they have all the specifications mentioned at the back of the sheet mask, how you can apply it, what benefit it has and everything. Because the thing is that the sheet mask that I got from Thailand, they have all the Thai, like they have the Thai language written on it and I cannot understand anything, so I had to use my brains and use that stuff. But this one is really nice and it has everything written here, like this Rise one, it brightens your rough and darkened skin. So this one is really nice and they always tell you like how you can use it, and they are like nice one. So I'm going to be using the red ginseng one, which is good for brightening and toning of your skin, and it gives you the energy and vitality. So I'm just going to be using this one. So as it says that I have to wash my face, which I've already done. You can apply a toner. I haven't applied any toner, it's just my lip balm on my lips. Then they're saying pull out the mask, carefully put it on your face and remove it after 10 to 15 minutes and pat face lightly to absorb remaining essence into the skin. So let's just open this up. Oopsie, the serum is already getting... Okay. This really smells like ashwagandha. Okay, it's brown in color. So let's just take out the sheet mask. There is this kirtan going on at the back and I kind of like it. It's like so soothing, like if you can hear it. So I'm just gonna place it right onto my face. Make sure your hairs are tied, and yes, let's do it.
Some Ayurvedic stuff, like the fragrance is nice. Just take caring of my lower lashes.
You have to press it against your skin so that it sticks on nicely. Taking all the serum down to my neck, and there is a lot more serum which is right there here, so you can just take it out and use it. Look at that one. So I'm just gonna put it right onto my neck. Like dried and absorbed and soaked into my skin. So for me to remove this, let's do it. Okay, I have to remove it upwards direction. So you can always rub the sheet mask and it's very soft, don't worry. So I'm just gonna wait for the next 2 minutes and then I'll wash my face. I'm just gonna wait for the serum to like properly dry, and then I think it'll get dry in next 3-4 minutes. So I'm just gonna wash my face after that and I'm gonna come back to you guys. So I just washed my face And wow, I really like it. And plus my skin feels so smooth right now, like so smooth. So from my side, I'll give you guys a big thumbs up. Please go ahead, buy these sheet masks specifically for like girls or for ladies or for people who are working and who cannot, dig their hands and make a home remedy and then do this and then wait for it to dry. It's really nice. You can always take it even if you're traveling or somewhere or something. You can just take it out, put it on your face, and after 10 minutes remove it. My mom really liked it, so I would really recommend you guys to go for the face shop ones because these are available in India and the Nykaa is doing a really nice job. These sheet masks at such a low price. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this was helpful to you guys.